Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I turned these $2 Goodwill glass vases into these super cute textured vases. So the colors that I use, this is the Bear paint and primer in one. It's like a grayish, blackish color. I don't know the exact color because it was on the reduced cart for $2. So I just picked it up. I'm not sure. But this one, on the other hand, is the terracotta urn. That's more of the orangish color. And then the peach one is shiny kettle. Yeah. Now, this one, I'm probably not going to use it. It's a little too textured because I put too much baking powder in the paint, so I'm probably not going to do much with this one. I don't think. I don't know. We'll see. This one I was just I was just experimenting to see how it would come out with maybe two different colors to give it kind of a weathered look. It's okay, but I don't like it enough to put it out there. So, long story short, I learned that the more baking powder you add to the paint, the more quote-unquote textured it's going to be. When I saw a video on TikTok about them adding baking powder to paint, they didn't really give any directions as far as how much baking powder to use. So I'll be very honest, I just kind of guesstimated what it should be and threw it in there. But after I had used too much, I added a little bit more paint to thin it out, and it was just fine. So you can really add to your liking. I would recommend maybe 1 tablespoon per cup of paint. You don't need a lot of baking powder, basically. What I really like about painting like this is it doesn't take a lot of skill. Unlike painting in a house where you have to tape stuff off, you have to make sure stuff is sanded properly so it doesn't show through the paint. It's not a lot of skill involved in this, which is why I really enjoy it. It's somewhat therapeutic just to throw in some music and start painting. So now I need to figure out where I can put more vases so I can do this again. So while I was at the Goodwill, I figured why just stop at vases? Why not grab this glass candle holder as well? And I just went for it. Painted this one too, and I love the way it came out. So I brought them outside just to give a little bit more natural light on these so you can see how textured and pretty they are. And you would never think they were glass. They look like they're ceramic.